Hello and welcome to the Knife Nest. Today I have the Microtech Ultratech Jedi Knight. Now before you say anything about my nails, I actually use them for a lot of utility, so that's why they're jacked up. But this thing's still really stiff. I've had it for over a year now. Still barely close it. Almost takes two hands. Definitely good build quality. Got the deep carry pocket clip, the glass breaker and lanyard hole. This one's supposed to look like a lightsaber. So you can see here it's got the Jedi symbol there, the JK for Jedi Knight, serial number up there. Got like a texture on here, give you a little more grip, I guess, or just make it look like a lightsaber. Kind of, you got like an ignition button look there. Here's the box it comes in. Kind of the standard Microtech box. It is about 3.35 inches. That's what the manufacturer says anyway. And it is 3.5 ounces, so it's not terribly heavy. There we go. It is the, if I can do it better with the left hand, I think now. You can definitely tell that these are quality by how strong this is. Incredibly strong spring in there. Got the dagger edge there. This one does not say a steel anywhere on the blade, but usually all Microtechs are either LMAX or M390, so either one is good. Came out of the box very sharp. Haven't had to sharpen it at all. And I use it, I wouldn't say super often, because it's kind of more of a show piece that I'd like to keep in pristine condition. But I do take it out. I do use it. Not for anything hard to use, but they also have a Sith version, which has got the red blade. And they even just came out with a Sith red blade version that has serrations on one side, which is awesome. And then they have the Exoset versions of these that are sub 2 inches. They're like 1.9 inches. So they got the blue, red, and they also have green. So if you're wanting like a little Yoda knife, you can get the green one. They used to have, I believe it was a UTX 70, it might have been 85 in green, but they haven't had that in a while. And then they also have, of course, the Bounty Hunter theme ones, the kind of Boba Fett theme, you could say. And then they also have Stormtrooper editions that are white, and then they have a Sand Trooper edition that's kind of white, but it's kind of dirty looking. Great knife though, really awesome. If you're looking for something utility and just a showpiece, this is kind of the total package. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. There will be future content. This is Tommy taking flight from the Knife Nest.